encourage our children not to buy more than what is necessary. That means we have to follow as parents also. We should not be a bad example to them. We have to be a good example. So we should not buy more than what is needed. Aqua or water. They say, the statistics show here, that if there is a leaking tap losing one drop of water at a moment, that means it's a loss of 200 liters of water a day. And water is a very important source. It is scarce if we waste it. So please encourage children not to waste water. And we should also, because I'm also a culprit in wasting water sometimes, especially brushing. Whenever I open the tap, I keep it open till I finish brushing during 2 minutes. But I'm becoming conscious, and so we have to set a good example. So tell your children that they shouldn't waste water during brushing, washing, bathing. They should turn off the tap. Yes, take the required quantity of water like this morning, and every time Mohini Mas tells children, us also, that we should not throw half consumed bottle of water and throw it there. That is a wastage. That is sheer wastage. So we should not waste water, a very precious resource. And let children know that water is not plentiful. It is scarce. If we don't use it wisely, I'm sure here in Dar es Salaam we have experienced the shortage of water, and what happens to you? Me, if I hear that the water is not coming from the Damasco, something happens to me, I go crazy. I tell everybody, please don't do this, don't save water like this. After washing vegetables, use that water, for the garden, for the plants, use for mopping, and I undertake all those measures. So, water is a scarce commodity. Next, second one. So first we have finished well. Second one we had done aqua or water. Now the third one is substance, things. Alright, we shouldn't waste substances or things. Most of the food we get, actually, we don't even know where it comes from. Who toils to bring our food on our plate? So we should think of that, and care must be taken to serve the right quantity of food always, so that excess is not wasted. Misjudging, that is by not taking the right amount of food which can satisfy our hunger, it leads to both starvation and obesity. Starvation for others, obesity for others. Is that right? Yeah? Moderation in food habits is essential, as Ramaban spoke about the sattvic foods we have to eat. That is very important. Food is equivalent to God. Before eating, we pray to God. So we should not waste food. Fourth one is time. They say time is what life is made of. Time is, in other words, a yardstick of life. Life is what is made of time. Teach the children that time is more valuable than money, because money can be earned, but time lost is life lost. We cannot retrieve time, so time is definitely much more important than money. Of course, we should not be wasting money. I am not saying that we can afford to waste money, no. we have to be sensible. Give your child how you can actually make your children be aware of time. It's a good idea that you give your children nice colored watch or maybe a beautiful iPhone so they can have an alarm. You can give them and tell them, of course we know that haste is always waste. Teach your children how to budget time. And there is a phrase that says yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, today is a gift. That is why it is called a present. So live in the now. That's the most important thing. Live in the present. Don't dwell in the past. Don't worry about the present, future. Live in the now and you will see that you have a blissful life now. Another thing, we have to teach our children how to spend our time qualitatively, because quality is always important. How to use it efficiently. Baba says that change of work is rest, but time waste is like wasted. So time is the most important thing and we should be aware of it and teach our children accordingly. Last one is energy. So